What's up, guys? This is Mark from TopLoademCards. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be opening up something. I just can't choose. So as you can see in front of us, we have Prism draft picks. We have UFC from Donruss. We have Diamond Kings, Bowman, Big League behind there. What should we open? I think maybe the Bowman. I ordered this probably like 3 weeks ago, and it just came last week. I guess the shipping is kind of slow, but kind of excited to open this one. Let's open this one. Okay. Bowman 2022. This is a blaster box. Says look for retail exclusive green parallel cards. No purchase necessary, of course. Let me see. Features of the game. That's about it. I mean, there's some odds. So I don't know. Maybe they always give you a lot of colors, so let's just open it up. Alrighty. Here are the packs. Let's see. Nice pack. I like this kind of half wax, half foil kind of plastic. I don't know. I just like this one. So let's open it up. And let's see what we get. So, Edward Cabrera, rookie card. We got Jose Abreu. Mookie Betts, that's good. Nice. Mookie on fire right now. I think he leads the league in home runs. Here's Ha-Seong Kim. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Very nice. Joe Adell, second year card. Cards look really good. Let's look at the back of this Vlad Guerrero. Basically has some short description and last year's totals. More and more the trend now. And then let's see. Behind the Joe Adell. Rookie of the Year favorites. Rodolfo Castro. Bowman Chrome. That's nice. From the Pirates. Good looking card. I like the graphic. The graphic is kind of like I want to say like let's see. I think I have it here. Like those cards that were in the Chronicles. Let me see if I can find it. The Overdrive kind of looks similar. Got the same like retro. Yeah, kind of got the same like retro vibe. Like that early 80s kind of thing. Yeah, nice looking card though. Okay, continuing on. We have Adrian Sugasti, first Bowman. We have a Daryl Hernandez, first Bowman. We have a Martin Jimenez, first Bowman. Jose Salas, Bowman Chrome. And Misiel Urbina, Bowman Chrome. So it looks like we only got one rookie card. I don't know if that's the pattern, but maybe it's like one rookie card, veteran base. Looks like insert, maybe, and then some first Bowman and then Chrome at the back. Let's see if that's the case with this pack here. So right off the top, rookie card. So it looks like that's the pattern. Oh, we have 2 rookie cards. So Aaron Ashby, rookie card. And then we have Luke Williams, rookie card. Oh, we have more rookie cards. So I guess that's not the pattern at all. Ryan Vilade or Vilade, I don't know. Luis Gill, Edward Cabrera, Jose Abreu again, and Virtuosic Vibrations, Benny Montgomery. That's a pretty cool looking card. I like the lime green color. That like sort of like marble-ish pattern in the back. It's pretty cool. Here's the back. Yeah, I like it. Then we got Dario Lopez, first Bowman. Hendry Medina, first Bowman. Samad Taylor, first Bowman. 2 Samad Taylor. So 1 Bowman, 1 Bowman Chrome. And the last one, Noelvi Marte. The last 2, Bowman Chrome. Still learning all the prospects that are coming up. I'm really looking to Dodger prospects right now because I think that's what's going to happen at the trade deadline. They're going to have to give up some of their farm system for a pitcher or for a... I don't know if they're going to be looking for a bat, maybe like another super utility player. I'm not too sure what their plans are. Here's Yadier Molina, Jacob deGrom, Corey Seager in the Rangers jersey, Lars Nootbaar rookie card, good one. Brian De La Cruz. Miami has so many young good players. Vidal Brujan, nice rookie card right there. And then top 100, Riley Green. That's a nice one. He ranked, says number 9 in the bottom left hand corner. Let's see what the back says. One of my favorite prospects. Not only is he a wonderful gifted. Not only is he wonderfully gifted, but he's the type of individual and competitor I'd want to manage. He handled both AA and AAA with ease last year, all before his 21st birthday. So I guess that's from his manager, I guess. Top 100. Then we got Roberto Campos. Joshua Baez. Looks like we have a green coming up, so this is the green that they described on that box. Oh, there we go. Luis Rodriguez, numbered 80 out of 99. Wow. Talking about Dodger prospects, I am hoping they don't give him up. There we go. One of the best prospects you could look for. There you go. 6'2", 175. Bats right, throws right. Numbered 80 out of 99. Wow, that's a good one. Green for the Dodgers. Then we have a Pete Crow Armstrong, Bowman Chrome, and Oswaldo Cabrera. First Bowman. Nice. There we go. Oh. 3 more packs. Let's try to speed it up a little. Hey, we got Mookie. Uh-oh. Is this basically the same pack? Hasakim, Vlad Guerrero, Joe Adele? Oh, no. So starting from here is where basically it goes to the other pack. Yadi, Jacob deGrom, Corey Seager, And then we got Benny Montgomery, Jordan Lawrar. It's hard. Rosemar Quintana. Then we have Luca Tresh and CJ Abrams. Nice. Here we go. There we go. Wander Franco. Is it Franco? Franco? Trump? That's the one we're looking for. Everybody's looking for. Wander. Rookie card. There we go. Behind him, Jonathan India. Bryce Harper. Tatis. George Springer. And Carlos Correa. This is Carlos Correa again, I think. No? Oh. Carlos Colmenares. High Five Futures. For the Tampa Bay Rays. There's the back. Nice. Then we have Norge Vera. First Bowman. Pedro Leon. Diego Velasquez. Adiel Amador. And Henry Davis. There we go. And the last pack. This has actually been a good box already. I do like the blaster. I might have to buy some more. Lars Nootbaar, Brian De La Cruz, Vidal Brujan. Hey, another Wander. Wow. So 2 in 1 box. Oh, okay. So it's basically the same sequencing. If you see the who comes before him, I think Brian De La Cruz. But basically he's before Jonathan India, Bryce Harper. Let's see, Mackenzie Gore, top 100. Padres. Then we have Pedro Pineda, Hedbert Perez, Luis Gonzalez, first Bowman, Khalil Watson, and Bobby Witt Jr. Nice. So this box is pretty good. 2 Wanders, Bobby Witt Jr., a bunch of first Bowmans, Luis Rodriguez. Yeah, turned out to be a good box. Good choice opening that one. But next time, let's see, Friday, we'll probably open up, I don't know. Let me know down below what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see Diamond Kings? You want to see Donruss UFC? You want to see Prism, Draft Picks, Baseball? Let me know in the comments down below which one I should open up on Friday. But yeah, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. See you guys Friday.